Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks so much for coming. And today we have Boxy Base Battle. So I have two Boxycharm boxes. Which one is gonna win? One goes by my profile and the other one does not. Let's just keep it simple. And I will give you the weight of each box and we will compare total prices at the end. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is the base, which is the first box, $25 a month. Then there is the premium, $35 a month, which you get 6 full-size items and the base has 5. Then every quarter you can upgrade to $49 and some change for 7 full-size products, right? Luxe. And I don't do the premium or the Luxe anymore because I found the base is better. But which one of these will be better? Okay, so let's get into it. This is my profile box. It weighs 1.4 pounds. And the box is a little squarer now and thicker. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Red is the base. Ooh, so here's my card. The theme of the month is XOXO for February, Valentine's Day. And I have variation along numbers and letters. But anyway, 5 full-size products. Let's see if it's worth it. First thing I see right here is this beautifully packaged pink for Valentine's Day. It says Glamour. This is Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, $29.95. Ooh, it says new launch next to it too. So here are the brush set. You open it up. Ooh, these are so pretty. Look at that. Shadow brushes, and they have little hearts inside. Those are really nice. And they're soft, and they say Glamour there. Next is the Saturday Skin. I believe this was my choice. Vitamin C mask. 50 mLs or 1.69 ounces. This looks cool. I haven't tried Saturday Skin, but I've been wanting to. It says an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Open it up. It has like this little citrus right there. And that, you can kind of see that this is a hard plastic. It's not exactly the full dimensions. It has a spatula. That's cool. Apply after your moisturizer, leave on overnight. You can use 3 to 5 times a week. Ooh, so this is good. I like skincare, and this is $29. Next is Trestique. This is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil, $44. Oh, the mascara is Icelandic black and the eye pencil is Santorini black sand. So you get this mascara, which is interesting, and the pencil. So I probably won't use that mascara, but good to have. Next is the Saint Luxe. This is the Lip Duo, $40. Here they are. Nice coffee latte colors. So this one, Secret Admirer. That's cute. And Love Letter. Very cute. Nice brown, which I like. $40. And last is a palette. Oh, and my shirt says Babes Empower Babes. I got that off of IG, official her team. Go check them out. If you use code BETMANY, you save 30%. Okay, so this is the last item. It's Ace Beauté Nostalgia Palette, $38.99. Oh, I like Ace Beauté. It has a green packaging. Same flowers. There's a Unicart in here. Ooh, look at this palette. So pretty. Look at that green right there. These golds. Yes. This is pretty. Oh, I like that. The box, worth it to me. This is $38.99. Open up the Not So Comfortable with Makeup profile. This is 1.6 pounds. And this is what it looks like. I have a card, same, and it has the variation number on the back. This is the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist, $14.99. It's a hydrating mist. And it does have the gold in there. So I do have the eyeshadow primer from the Beauty Crop, but this is a setting mist. That's cool. And then we have the St. Luxe Liner Duo Lip Liners, $40. Again, the same colors. Got the Saturday Skin, again, the eye mask, sleep eye mask, which is $29. So some repeats, and then we have the repeat brush set. That's cool. And also a repeat is the Ace Beauté $39.99 Nostalgia palette. So this will go in a giveaway because I don't need 2 of these. And the brushes were $29.95. So we will total them up. Which one do you think won? Because they were both really good, and I wouldn't have been mad with either. And some repeat items. But those were the base boxes for the month of February. And let me know down in the comment section which one you like better. And again, is it worth $25? I think so. Definitely. If you haven't subscribed already and you're new, consider subscribing right down there. Press that button, make it turn gray. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are notified for any further uploads or giveaways. You don't want to miss out on those. And as always, guys, stay safe.